C. Okay, for this one, we're going to use high density urethane, or HDU. This stuff carves beautifully. However, the real star of the show is this enormous 130 degree V bit. And we're going to pair it with the Prism Carving Toolpath. Now the Prism Carving Toolpath is like a V carve, except that it's inverted, and the apex at the center of the letter is raised. Okay, so now we're going to swap out that bit for a 1/4 inch upcut bit and finish cutting out the rest of the letter. And finally, we're going to prime it, paint it,